a 2-1 lead in this Best of 7 final series. Good evening and welcome to our post-game press conference. I'm joined by our head coach, Coach Leo Austria, and our best player of the game, Jumar Fajardo. Congratulations, gentlemen.
Thank you, thank you.
Coach Leo, in that final quarter, what so far allowed SMB to just push the lead and continuously deny TNT of any comeback attempt?
I beg your pardon.
Coach Leo, in that final quarter, ano nakatulong para patuloy na push ng SMB ang abante at madala yung TNT of any comeback attempt?
I think the experience of the player, dahil alam nila part quarter sa pivotal, and the killer instinct of the player, especially Jumar Fajardo and Chris Ross, they know how to handle the final set. And this is a very important game, third game, or first game in the best of 5 series. And everybody was inspired what these two guys are doing in the court. Not only scoring, but on defending, especially Chris Ross. And this leadership is really amazing. And then magugulat kayo kung paano siya maglaro ngayon. Inspired sa alam nila. Pero age doesn't matter. Okay? And of course, Jumar is a very experienced player when it comes to playoff. He wants to win it. And that is the most important thing. Everyone wants to win.
Thank you, Coach Leo. Now, Jumar, looking at your field goal attempts in today's game, nakataas mo ito compared to your last without sacrificing efficiency. Anong ginagawa ng mga teammates mo na nakatulong para magpawin 80% field goal percentage?
Kami lang na step up, parang pinasa na yung figure sa corner step up lahat. Yun, kasi ko namin yung place namin, yung maganda yung namin, maganda yung preparation namin. So, ayun, buti na pala yung namin.
Thank you, Jumar. Now we would like to open the floor for French from the press.
Jumar, congratulations. Jumar, yung TNT nalagas kasi ng game na wala si Boy. Naging madali pa sa'yo na wala si Boy o gano'n pa rin na pwede na pa rin si TNT, si Kalinato at si Titira?
Mahirap rin. Kahit wala si Boy, mahirap pa rin para sa akin. Pero yun nga, doon naman yung mga teams ko, kita nyo naman, si Kevin, nakashoot siya, Chris, then drive shot. Siyempre, kaya minsan na may follow-ups mga teammates ko kasi nagpo-provide naman sila ng para sa akin. Pag naman nila na dito kami hihili, so nagpo-provide sila ng para sa akin. So, yun yun.
Kung saan sa team sa Boy, affect mo sa preparation ng your team adjustments?
Ano ba?
Without point?
Yes.
So in our practice yesterday, so we have a lot of viewing, including in our preparation point, because we don't know what really happened. Although you can see it naman in the replay, but there's always a surprise. So unfortunately for them, he was not able to play, but our preparation is always included. Kahit nga sinabata kasama sa preparation namin yun. Kaya lang, everybody, dahil katulad na nangyari kanina, Abosotros, talagang magic bullet yun nila. And then we have to be careful. Everybody, especially in the finals, kailangan batayan.
Kung sa akin was yung 4-point shot ni CJ in the second quarter, yung third, yung kayo nakakabuha ng malaking laro. How was that?
Yeah, I think during the first half, I told them that third quarter is really pivotal in every game, not only the championship. Because in the past, third quarter, usually doon kami bumabagsak eh. But tonight, but giving them emphasize, this is really important and that's what happened. And there's a lot of energy. And that's the reason why our opponent committed a lot of turnovers. Imagine 32 turnover points, and that is because of that energy and intensity, and that is aggressiveness.
Yung fourth quarter nila was good in terms of field goal percentage, but medyo masyadong yung taste ng free throws ninyo. Particularly in the fourth quarter. Ano lang yung kumbaga gagawin yung step talk sa Pearman after that quarter na attacking their free throws?
The free throws? Yeah, it's a part of it. It became, siyempre, the players, nobody wants to miss that free throws. Maybe, nararamdaman nila yung pressure, but I'm confident with them na they want to win. And makikita natin, dami doon eh. But I believe these players don't want to lose tonight. Okay? And then, I think, so I have to give credit to their grit, and then talagang matatapos sila maglaro. Kanina, makikita mo naman nobody gives up. Even though our leading double figures in the last 2 minutes, they're still there. They're forcing talk and text out to commit a turnover, and that's the ignorance thing of the player.
And that's the result of the post-game press conference. Thank you and congratulations once again to Secretary Pearman.